Civil 3D 2012 has some more options for surface analysis, elevation banding, visualization as far as surfaces go. So what you see here is a couple surfaces. I have my existing ground and I have a quick pad grading. So I'm going to come to my prospector and create a new surface. I'm going to create a tin volume surface. So I'm going to right click on surfaces, go to create surface. The top left, I'm just going to change that to tin volume. I'm going to name it, just name it volume. My base surface is going to be my existing ground. My comparison surface is going to be my grading surface I created. Hit OK here, hit OK here. Okay, so it's created that third surface, volume, here. So I'm going to come into my volume surface, right click, go to surface properties, and on here, on the information tab, I'm going to make sure I have something with the style with elevations selected. So I'm going to go elevations with datum. Come to my analysis tab, and you'll see a little difference here. As I choose my analysis type of elevations, you'll see here that I have a range option. So I can come in here and I can do a number of ranges. So if I want to limit it to 10 ranges, I can do that and just run that analysis. And it's going to go 10 ranges and break it out. That's kind of what it's been in the past. But now you have the option to go range interval and range interval with datum. Range interval is you can just tell it have a base elevation of whatever, a range interval of 5, and you can run that. So you'll see here that it breaks out everything by range intervals equal five equal fit intervals. A lot easier than coming in here in the past and having to edit each one of these individually to clean that up and make it presentable. You also have range interval with datum, so you can go range interval with datum and also run that again. And you can see here how it breaks it up in 5-foot increments with the datum elevation of whatever you specify in there. So if I change that to 10 and rerun that, you can see here how my elevations have changed. Back to range interval, if I say -10, change this. So you can see here how it takes those, whatever you want to see, and applies that based on your intervals. So you can quickly come in here and look at multiple things. How does it look with 10? How does it look with 5? Rerun that, hit apply. And with everything being dynamic, you can see things as they change. So if I want to make changes here, rerun that, hit apply again, and so forth. So a couple different options as far as analysis goes. Some good things, some better things than in the past. Kind of a pain to get in there and edit each one of those to be exactly how you want it. So.